All right, everybody, we are back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shetty, and we are here today at Mr. Charlies. It's a vegan fast food restaurant that's trying to stick it to McDonald's. This isn't just a restaurant, but it's an art exhibition, so it's only going to be here for a limited time. Today I'm going to try out some vegan chicken nuggets. Let's go see how Mr. Charlies compares to Mickey D's. Let's go see. All right, guys, we got our Mr. Charlies Frowny meal. First impression, Mr. Charlies branding is out of this world. They're really sticking it to McDonald's. Frowny meal instead of Happy Meal, hilarious. They're playing on the Happy Meal box. Love the presentation. Inside the restaurant, it's one of the coolest looking places I've been to thus far. There's artwork all over the place. The aesthetic of the restaurant is one of the coolest I've seen thus far. This is what pushed it over the top. The drink that comes with it, are you kidding me? The glass bottle, real sugar, Mexican Coke. You can't beat that. You just can't beat that. Glass bottle Mexican Coke with the real sugar hits different. Does the food back it up? Let's see. I'm gonna try a chicken nugget. It's got a crispy outside to it. It looks just like a McDonald's chicken nugget. Let's see if it tastes like one. That's pretty damn good. These right here, these Mr. Charlies vegan chicken nuggets are fire. The texture, just like a chicken nugget. You got the nice crispy crunchy outside to it, nice chewy middle. McDonald's chicken nuggets are made out of pink goo. Mr. Charlies chicken nuggets are made out of soybean. You can taste and you can feel in the texture the difference in the chicken nugget. I feel like I'm eating something real here. I'm not eating some manufactured pink slime. It's flavorful too. It's a tasty chicken nugget. A little blander than a regular chicken nugget, but not bland. The nuggets are good, but when you dip them in the sauces, woo! They have their famous green sauce, and they have their famous chipotle aioli sauce. I could put down 50 of these. Why eat pink goo when you can eat nice soybean-based chicken nuggets? All right, guys, this wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I appreciate you all watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thanks again, guys.